What is up, boys? Welcome to the part 3 of Practice with Me series. Hope you're doing well. So let's get it started. Okay, we did these candles in part 1, these candles, and if you look, we had 2 parts yet. This is part 1 and this is part 2. We discussed about these candles in previous videos in part 1 and part 2. You can check them out in the channel. So this is part 3 of Practice with Me series, and we're gonna move on with the next couple of candles, and then we're gonna have a part 4 as well. Okay, so let's go ahead with part 3. And here, when you see these kind of situation in the market, first draw your levels. Okay, this is your level, and see the situation. Okay, so we previously had a downtrend, I told in the previous videos, and for now we are trying to break the structures and go up. Okay, so the market here is uptrend, and then we broke this, and again it fake out, is trying to go up. So basically the market moves in this range. Okay, so the first thing first, you have to read the market, okay, as we did right now. So the price is going range here, and here you see the rejection from this level. Okay, it shows the active sellers in the market, and here we started strong momentum. Okay, it sounds like it's gonna break this. Okay, so when you see this, there's still a gap. Okay, there's still a gap which is not filled, and if this level is strong, it's gonna reverse the previous the next candle. Okay, so here I wouldn't take a trade unless I enter with marginal safety on this level. Okay, so if the price reaches here, I will enter for a sell position. If not, I will not just take the trade. Okay, so let's see the next candle. Okay, we didn't take this trade because it didn't reach here. If it reached here, I would enter with marginal safety, otherwise not. So we didn't take any trade here. I will redraw the levels. Okay, so here still there's no opportunity. Okay, we made a lower low, but this is basically a weak candle, and it can be a retracement for this uptrend, and it can be a reversal candle. Okay, so we don't take any trade because it's 50-50 at this point, so we wait. Okay, still we're trying we made a ranging market here, so still there's no opportunity here, because this can be a retracement for a starting to uptrend, and it can be a ranging market, so we can buy and we can sell. So this is 50-50, we don't take any trade here. Okay, next candle. Okay, we finally see breaking this level, which previously we had a couple of rejections, which showed us this level is pretty strong. Okay, and after breaking this level, after breaking strong levels, we can have a reversal candle. Okay, so here also we have a round number. Okay, so definitely we can have a retracement candle here. So for the next candle, we go with the sellers. Okay, we had that retracement, and yeah, we won this trade, and still we have this hammer kind of candle closed on this level, and we don't really have any higher high, so it means that for now the price is not gonna go up. So we either go with sellers here, or we don't take a trade. Okay, so if we draw this trend line, okay, we still have a gap here, and also here we have a confluence of levels, so still we can go with sellers at this point, because we don't have a higher high, and also we still have a gap till this level, so we go with sellers again. Okay, nice. And here we have sellers entry again, and for the next candle, I'm not sure because this is a continuation sign. Okay, so basically these candles are continuation sign, and still we didn't have a higher high, we either have lower low. Okay, so we cannot trust this, and yeah, we just have to wait for the next candle to see if buyers gonna enter. If buyers enter here something like this, I mean, something like this, it means that the trend is going to go up. But if they don't, I guess we're not going to go up yet. Okay, so we wait for the next candle. So we took this trade and took this trade as well. We wait for the next candle. Okay, so apparently this was a fake breakout and exhaustion candle. So I told you about exhaustion candles in previous parts. This is also an exhaustion candle, which means that the buyers exhausted here and there's no enough sellers. So the buyers artificially enter and reach a level that there's a lot of sellers, the sellers to enter. Okay, so there's no excuse for sellers to enter, but here after this exhaustion candle, the sellers can enter. So as I told you, after big candles, we can have reversals. And if we have any level or breakouts, it's even, you know, better confirmation. Okay, so we have this level here. Okay, you see that this candle closed on this level. So whenever we have strong, big candles, okay, this is one confirmation that it's a reversal. Okay, so everybody says that large candles are sign of reversal, but they don't say that you have to combine with another reasons. Okay, so this is a sign of reversal, one reason. Another reason, closed on a level. Okay, and one more reason to go with buyers, we have a, you know, bullish structure here. So for the next candle, I would go with buyers. And you know, we can have you know, sellers entry because this is strong momentum, but ultimately buyers gonna enter and close at least something like this. And after we have, you know, if we have strong rejection and weak body, we can go with sellers again. But let's see what the next candle is gonna be. Okay, yes, you see buyers entry here. And yeah, these buyers are not weak buyers. Okay, if you look at the body, it's pretty mutual, because we don't say we don't call these kind of candles weak. We call these weak. Okay, if this candle was something like this, I would call it a weak candle. So this is not a weak candle, and I would not take any trade here because this shows that buyers are still here. Okay, sellers are not dominant again, and we have this level. This buyers candle close on this level, and again buyers are strong. We have strong sellers momentum, so we don't know that which one's going to enter next. We can have a sellers candle here, and then buyers entry. We can you know, we can have strong buyers entry. So we don't know that. This is 50-50 position. So I would not take any trade here because I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. Buyers enter. It means that buyers still in the market and they're gonna take control. So here we have this level, still gapped at this level, and also we have a breakout here. Okay, this is strong breakout, strong level, and previously we broke this, we reversed. And for now, again, we broke this and we can reverse, and plus we have this gap. Okay, so still we have reasons to go with buyers and sellers. So I wouldn't take this trade because it's 50-50, and we have reasons to go with both. Okay, we can go with sellers and buyers because of some reasons. So we don't take the trades that we are not sure. Okay, we have sellers entry again, and we closed under this level. Okay, which means that this is basically a fake out, and the next candle can be seller's entry. And also we don't have rejection here. So for this candle, after this candle, I would go with sellers because sellers can enter. Okay, if they enter strongly, okay, I can even go for the next candle as well. But if they enter weak, as a weak sellers, I would not continue with going with sellers. Okay, so I will go with sellers here for the next candle. Okay, we have a doji candle here. I mean, your entry really is crucial on this candle. So it can be a loss, it can be a win, it can be a draw. Okay, I would consider this as a draw. Okay, let's say we entered immediately after closing this candle, and this is a draw. Even though if we entered with little marginal safety, that would have been a win. But here I would consider it as a draw trade. Okay, so we have a draw trade, and this doji shows us the sellers are not willing to enter in the market. If they did, if this was a strong sellers candle, you could go with the sellers, because this is a nice fake out and it's going to continue dropping, and market structure would be like this. Okay, but we don't see the sellers, so we can go with buyers, or we can just wait. It's not a sell trade here. You can go with buyers, or you can wait. I would wait here. Okay, I wouldn't take any trade here. So let's wait for the next candle. Nice. Okay, here we have again buyer's entry, and we have this level touched, and we have this doji level. I will tell you something about dojis here. This is really important. Okay, here this is short shot. I will call these trades sure shots, which means I'm 95% sure that the next candle is gonna be red. Okay, I will show the next candle, and then I will, yes, okay, hopefully this is red. We have a red candle here, and the reason why is we close on this level. Okay, we have break of doji, and we had this trend line. Okay, so we had 3 reasons to go with sellers here, and the most strong reason here to go with sellers for me is whenever I see dojis like this in the market. Whenever you see these kind of dojis in the market, let me explain it this way. Okay, this is the doji. Okay, whenever you see these kind of dojis, you have to, be careful, because dojis create us range. And whenever you have, a candle breaking this range, it's either up or down. Okay, it's gonna be stronger if that's immediate. I mean, the next candle breaks one of these levels. You can go against that level for one candle blindly. Okay, this is gonna work. I would say 90% of the times. If this is a green candle breaking the upper line of doji, you can go with sellers, and if it's a red candle breaking down of this doji, you can go with buyers. Okay, this is very strong, guys. Always remember this trick. You can back test it for yourself, and it works all the time. But consider that this should be doji. Okay, let me clarify this for you. This is not a doji. Okay, I would not call this a doji. A doji is something like this. Okay, doji is something like this. This is I would consider this doji as well. Okay, so we have this break of doji here. We have seller's entry. So always remember this strategy and backtest it yourself. So I win this trade as well. And here we have strong engulfing, and back to this doji range. Okay, here we can still have green candles because we didn't break previous candles low here, so we can have a green candle because engulfing patterns always can have a green candle and then drop, and we can have a red candle as well. Okay, so we don't take any trade here, and we wait for the next candle. Okay, we have continuation sign, we have engulf, we have continuation sign, and also we have a gap till this level, but this is basically a ranging market and buyers still can enter. But I will go with seller's here. We also have this trend line which is broken. We can have a retest of this trend line, but I will go with sellers because this is continuation sign, and there's still a gap between this doji level Okay, the buyers decided to get back into this range of trend line and retest the trend line, so I wouldn't bother go with sellers again, because this is strong buyers. And yeah, I just lost this trade. And we created a outside bar, which can have a retracement and also cannot have a retracement, because this is a strong buyer's candle without any retracement, and also there's a gap between this level. So I wouldn't take any trade here, and I would just skip this trade. Boom. Okay, nice. We broke this. Okay, we broke this previous level. Okay, this is for the third time this level is, being touched. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let me tell you a point. Whenever you have a level, first touch, second touch, and third touch, we have this candle breaking this level, you can go against the trend. Okay, especially if this is a ranging market. Okay, so you can trust this, and this is third time, and it also touched the upper level. Okay, and closed this one, but most likely seller's gonna enter after this, because we also have this confirmation that, okay, let me clear this. Okay, so let's count the confirmations. We have a third time breakout. This is one. Another confirmation. Let me just, okay, if you look past, whenever we have green candles, 2 green candles, then sellers enter. Okay, so we have pattern similarity confirmation, and we have this this level touch, also another level, close on level. Okay, this level, and yeah, we have enough reasons to go with sellers here, and I would go with sellers 100% here. Boom, nice. We have sellers entry, and also this is basically one of my patterns, 3-bar up. I call this 3-bar up, and it's like just like engulfing and outside bars. It can have retracement. Okay, this is another confirmation, retracement of 3-bar up pattern. So I won this trade as well, and I guess that's enough for part 3. I will keep going on part 4 for next, I guess. 15 to 20 candles left. Okay, so I will complete this for the next part, on the next part. So yeah, we had how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have 16 candles. It means that we did this trading session in 16 minutes, and we took 6 trades, which 4 of them was winners, and 1 of them was loss, and 1 draw, which is pretty nice. Okay, it shows that you don't have to take any candles, like every candle. Okay, don't force yourself to trade every single candle. You can wait for the best opportunities, and take your profit and leave the market. Okay, this is basically how it works in binary options. Don't over trade, don't force yourself to take trades. You saw that how many times I just waited for the next candle. And when you lose a trade, just accept your loss and don't revenge the market. Okay, that's the key. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed and learned something, and also explain something about dojis and third touch breaks, and also practice those in demo account. And there's a free demo account in the description. There's a link. You can just click it and you go to a demo account straightforward, and you can test these strategies there. Thank you for watching. Peace out.